ever thought of grading your Irish Spring? Well, after this video, you're gonna be grading all of your Irish Spring. I have 20 genius ways to use this around your house. My friend, this is not just for men. Nope, nope, nope. And when your guests come over this holiday season, they're gonna be saying, dang, your house smells amazing. Have you ever wondered what scent this is other than Original Clean and 12 Hours Fresh Deodorant Soap with flaxseed oil? Well, it contains fresh bergamot, citrus, followed by floral herbal notes on a woody base. Well, doesn't that sound lovely? Head on over to your local Dollar Tree and get yourself a big pack of Irish Spring. By the way, my dad loves this stuff. And get yourself your very own cheese grater, or shall I say, Irish Spring grater. Your home is going to be smelling amazing by the end of this video. I'm also going to be sharing some of my favorite Amazon goodies when it comes to all things smell. Take a whiff. Can you smell that? That smells delicious. By the way, this is super satisfying. I am so excited. Thumbs up if you are sitting on the edge of your seat right now. Everything I talk about will be linked in the description box below. All you gotta do is click that down arrow and then click the more button. Cleans a man upright. My friend, I'm gonna teach you how to clean your home upright. It's that time of year, it's getting cold and bugs wanna make their way inside your home. You can sprinkle this in your door tracks and in your windows. Here, as a bonus, when it rains, it's gonna clean this area as well and make it smell delicious. Flies often like to come into my house because it's right here by the garage door for convenience reasons. Here's a trick. Rub a little Irish Spring on your door frames to prevent any bugs from passing. They don't like the smell. Do you have rabbits in your yard or garden? They don't like the smell of this. We often get rabbits here on our deck and they like to poop all over it. You can also sprinkle some of this in your flower garden to keep those nasty pests away. Sprinkle some of this inside your garbage can, indoor and outdoor, for odor control and pest control. Bonus, if you have a dog that likes to get inside your garbage can, this might deter them. This next one is real fun and satisfying. Get yourself a Dollar Tree bottle. By the way, I recently got this at the Dollar Tree. I love it. I got the rose gold. I got a gold one. These are truly some gems. Then you're gonna sprinkle in a generous amount of your Irish Spring and watch what happens. Do you have any bushes being attacked by bugs? Well, not anymore. Do you want to quickly clean your toilet without it smelling like bleach or a bunch of chemicals? Yes. You can even sprinkle some in like this if you want to. Grab your favorite toilet scrubber. By the way, this one is mine. It gets in all those nooks and crannies, especially up here on the lip and then down in there in that nasty hole. Ooh, so fresh and so clean, clean. And how about a little poo spray? You know how you can buy poopery? This makes your guests feel more comfortable when they need to do something in your bathroom. In fact, this is #1 bestseller on Amazon. My friend, it has over 155,000 reviews on this poo spray with 4.7 stars. I also found this really beautiful gift set. It's called In a Pinch Pack. I know, that's kind of disgusting, but funny all at the same time. It comes in 5 flavors. It's great for travel. We got some lavender, we got some peppermint. Guests are gonna feel so alive in your home and want to come back for more. Maybe that's a good thing or not. I don't know, you decide. Next, grab yourself a Dollar Tree filter, coffee filter, and a rubber band, and you're gonna put a generous amount of your Irish Spring soap up in that beast. No joke, this smells so good. Closets can get real musty, especially because there's little ventilation. Put some of these fun Irish Spring sachets in and around your closet. As a bonus, it's gonna help repel mice. Your closet also might be a little bit stanky or rank because I don't know about you. Thumbs up, do you keep shoes in your closet like I do? I did find a really cool poo-pourri shoe odor eliminator on Amazon. It's currently 25% off. I love that, especially for winter boots. They get all moist and smelly. How about some fresh linen? I found a 12-pack of linen scented sachets. I love these. It's also an Amazon bestseller. By the way, I did an entire Amazon closet organizational video. I'm gonna link in the description box below in case you're interested. How about in your car, especially with the windows closed during the winter time? First, go ahead and vacuum up all the junk that you have in your vehicle. By the way, I absolutely love this thing. It's one of my greatest best friends. Now, take your Dollar Tree coffee filter sachet and put it anywhere in your vehicle that you want to. You can put it in your cup holder. You can just put it right here in the middle. I like to put it underneath the seat. And if you ever thought about getting this Shark vacuum, I would get it now because it is currently 20% off. I use this every single day. If you do not love this option, although it's cute, I found on Amazon a 12-pack of bamboo charcoal air purifiers. They are a #1 best seller. It's great for your home, it's great for your closet, it's great for your car, especially if you love things that are all natural. Do you have a dresser drawer that likes to stick when you open it? Lather it up with a little Irish Spring and skip the smelly WD-40. You'll have a nice smelling surprise every time you open your dresser. This is my newest winter coat I got on Amazon. Love it. But have you ever had a stuck zipper? All you gotta do is rub a little soap on there to help lubricate it, and your zipper should be good as new. However, if this does not work for fixing your zipper or you have some serious zipper repair, I found the #1 best seller on Amazon. How about some smelly shoes? In fact, I think this works better than putting dryer sheets in your shoes. If you're looking for something a little bit more all natural, I did find these Amazon Choice all natural bamboo charcoal bags. It comes in a 2-pack and there are 2 colors. I love me some good charcoal. Sometimes I can find it at the Dollar Tree, but if you're needing something, this one's a good choice. The charcoal bags also work great in backpacks, or again, you could just use a little bit of your Irish Spring. Garbage disposal. These things get real nasty. You can go ahead and use your homemade spray. Let it sit in there for as long as possible and then rinse with warm water. Or again, you can take your cheese grater and your soap and you can go to town, my friend. Go to town. This side works way better. This is really satisfying too. I did find the #1 bestseller when it comes to garbage disposal cleaner. It's the Off Fresh brand. I actually have used that to clean my washing machine, but it also works great in your garbage disposal. It comes in a 3-pack, so if you're looking for something other than Irish Spring soap, I'm gonna let that sit for just a minute, and then when that has sat, I'm gonna come back and run some hot water. Yeah, baby. As a bonus, turn your garbage disposal on for just a little bit with a little drip of hot water like so. Good to go. Got a squeaky door that you've just been living with your whole life? Well, not anymore, my friend. Again, rub a little soap in and around those hinges and squeak be gone. I love using this in the corners of my garage to keep those unwanted visitors out. Do you struggle with sleep or restless leg syndrome, also known as RLS? Well, if you watch the doctors, Dr. Oz, by the way, I don't subscribe to those TV shows. I believe that they're, well, I won't say anything, but they said that if you tuck this under your sheet, this can help with those difficulties. Now, in my opinion, as someone with a master's degree, I think it has more to do with the placebo effect and your mind being distracted by the glorious scent of the Irish Spring. Smelly laundry hamper. Removing stains. Have you ever heard of Fell's Naphtha? I made an entire video on it, but it's a bar of soap. It's been around forever. You can shave it and put it directly in your washing machine, or you can rub it on your stain. But let's try it with this Irish Spring. This is my 2-year-old shirt. Look at how nasty that is. I just rubbed it around all these stains. Let's go ahead and wash per usual. I don't know about these paint stains, but we'll see. In we go. Get ready to travel over the holiday season. Go ahead and stick one of these to make your suitcase smell scrumptious. When you come home, your dirty laundry won't smell like dirty laundry anymore. Ma'am, would you like some Irish Spring with your non-scented Dollar Tree candle? Well, yes, I would.
And as a bonus, my team has created this amazing stress-free holiday planner, not only for Christmas, but also for Thanksgiving. It has everything that you need to have a stress-free holiday. This is linked in the description box below for you.
If you want to see 18+ genius Dollar Tree coffee filter hacks, click this video on screen now. Or if you're looking for 40+ gift ideas, click this one. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.